Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new and haven't subscribed our channel, please press the subscribe button. In this tutorial, we will learn different SolidWorks drawing views and we will see how we can explain our part and we will make the detail of the part using different views. So we are going to make this drawing. We will study auxiliary section, remove section and detail view. Standard 3 views and projected view we have studied in the previous video. I will provide the link in the description. You can watch the video from there. So let's start. So this is our part made in SolidWorks. We will generate the drawing of this part. We will make the section view to see its internal section and hidden lines. So first of all, we will go to the make drawing from the part. And from here we will select the sheet size. We can also select the custom sheet size. I have explained this in the previous video. Select OK. So now this is our sheet and these are the views we can add. These are the three basic views: front, top and side views. First of all, we are going to add front view. This is the projected view property manager. You can edit these different hidden lines and display quality from here. I have explained all these features in the previous video. So these are our three basic views, and now if we want to add other views, what we will do is, first of all, if we want to add auxiliary view, so we will study what is auxiliary view. Auxiliary view is like, if I will select this and I have to select any reference edge, like I have select this edge and it will unfold this linear edge like this. Let me explain you from this part. Like if I have this part and I have to show the downward face of it, what I will do is I will select auxiliary view and I will select this line like this, and it will show this view like this. So this is our simple auxiliary view. You can edit the view from here in edit feature. You can uncheck the arrows, these arrows showing the A section, which will pointing toward this edge which is unfolded toward this view, auxiliary view. Select OK. Now we will see what is section view. Section view is the mostly used view in the drawing. So I have select this and our drawing view is this one. We want to make the section, so this line is a will work as the center line. So I will select this line like this and it will give me the option that if you want to make a single offset or notch offset, or you can just want to make the arc offset. I am using simple linear line. Select OK, and now you can see it is showing the internal and right side view of the part like this. If you want to flip the direction of the arrows, you can flip it from here. So there are some options for the section view. First of all, there is the partial section, and the second one is slice section. Slice means that it will be sliced and will seen in the different parts. Auto hatching is the pattern showing the section view. You can scale this hatch pattern or randomize scale. You can do it of your choice, and from here again you can simply select the hidden lines, and from here you select high quality. Select OK. So this was our section view. So if you want to add different section view like this, what you will do is you will make the points 1, 2 and 3 and select OK. So now you can see you can make the section views with different selections. So we will delete this, select OK. Now we will see what is remove section. Remove section will be cleared by using this help feature. So if you are using remove section, it will show the slice model at selected location. Like I will select the opposite edges and it will show the internal section of these edges. Like if I will select this line and this line and I will make it in center. So now you can see it is showing the remove section of this depth. So this is a simple illustration of remove section. Now we will see what is detail view. For detail view, it is like the zooming feature that you want to give the detail of the particular area of the part. So I am selecting this and I am going to make it zoom in this dia like this. So now you can see it is zooming and giving the more detail of this part, or I have made the circle. So you can make it like this, and after that you can simply go to annotations and give the dimensions. Select smart dimensioning from here, select this and give the dimension of the part like this. So these were our simple views: auxiliary section, remove section and detail view. After that we will study broken out break view, crop view and alternate position view. We will study every feature in the SolidWorks drawing. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned and keep watching our channel.